hanging out with Dr. Stephen Mulholland this morning here at SpaMedica, and Nadia, our patient this morning. We love non-surgical procedures.
Non-surgical.
It's a little early for me. So non-surgical
Yes.
procedures, things that we can be in and out, nobody can tell, and we don't have to cut our bodies. So and we all want to look young and fresh.
Young, fresh, non-excisional, that's the thrust this morning. And the very first one is extremely popular, the treatment of double chins. Survey by the American Society shows that 70% of men and women over 40 have concerns about a double chin.
Okay,
but they don't want to do lipo. They don't want to do lipo. So we have a new Health Canada approved product called Belkyra. Belkyra is a little naturally occurring chemical, and it's put into a little syringe similar to Botox.
Okay.
And we inject it right into the fat, and it breaks down dietary fat.
And it works.
It works very simple. It's no more difficult. Actually, it's a little simpler than doing Botox.
Okay, so I just have to do a little disclaimer. If you're a little queasy, you might want to turn away. In fact, while you're doing that, we could look at the pictures right over there. So why don't you inject, and we'll take a look at these pictures right over here. So we've got some before and afters. Does this last?
Yeah, so it's about a 3-treatment cycle, once a month for 3 treatments. And after about 3 months, you can notice a very significant reduction of a double chin. And that dietary fat that's broken down is gone forever. So here we are. It took all of 1 minute. I've injected the Belkyra.
Not even a minute.
And she would come back in about a month. We do a second treatment. Some people are done. If you have a modest double chin like Nadia, maybe 2 treatments. A heavier double chin, maybe a third chin, you might need a third treatment. But,
okay, I have a question.
Fire away.
This chin right up here, the top one, it doesn't look like there's any fat in there whatsoever. It just looks like it's kind of, skin.
So this is important. These are a very common type of Belkyra before and afters, a bit chubby, and certainly a good 50–60% reduction after a single treatment, a bit chubby. Now, when you have lax skin, we can melt the fat, and then, as we've done in this show many times, there are skin tighteners, radiofrequency devices, other non-surgical devices that tighten the skin.
So you'd have to do other treatments on top of this treatment if you have loose skin.
So what's the contraindication? Excessively loose skin with no fat. But most people have fat, either tight skin or skin that can be treated non-surgically. So Belkyra's opened up a whole opportunity for people that just don't like that little waddle. They don't want to do lipo, and in a simple injection treatment.
How much is it going to cost, price range?
In Canada, you'll find between $400 and $700 or $1,000 a treatment, depending how big your chin is, because the bigger chins need more Belkyra.
All right. Thank you so much, Dr. Stephen Mulholland. We are doing non-surgical procedures this morning on Breakfast Television at SpaMedica. Thanks.